Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, and of course, sa ating mga cross-watchers, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome o welcome back po dito sa Bonum Magus PH. My name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now in today's video, Capricorn, alamin natin kung anong magiging kapalaran ninyo sa buwan ng Mayo. Mensahe at gabay, kapalaran para sa ating mga Capricornians. Paalala lang Capricorn na sa lahat mo ng mga nanonood, cross-watchers, lahat po ng tarot and rune readings ko dito sa YouTube ay general reading lamang. So ibig sabihin, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nag-resonate, Capricorn, at iwan yung hindi. Alright, let's start. Capricorn, you can also skip this. You can fast forward para sa mag-umpisa yung reading. Shuffle lang natin at kukuha tayong mga baraha for Capricorn sa buwan ng Mayo. You have patience. Capricorn, patience. Okay. Next. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. For the month of May, Capricorn, you have a rose, special energy. Ooh, ano kaya tong special energy sa buwan ng Mayo for Capricorn? Capricorn, for the month of May 2025. Capricorn, you have without agenda. Okay. It looks like sa love aspect mo. Messages from you, from the universe for Capricorn. For Capricorn. You are safe. You are protected. The worst is behind you. And you are ready to move beyond the challenges that was set for you. Lessons have been learned. It is safe for you to trust your path. May explain ko pa ng maigi yan later. Nakukuha tayo ng tarot cards for you, Capricorn, to complete this reading. This is for your kapalaran sa lahat ng aspeto sa buhay mo. Kapalaran sa lahat ng aspeto sa buhay ni Capricorn sa buwan ng Mayo 2025. Okay, Capricorn, you have the Page of Coins, the Ace of Wands, the Seven of Wands. You have the Queen of Cups. Next, you have the King of Coins. Next, you have the Six of Wands. Wow. You have the Queen of Coins and daming pentacles. And you have the Nine of Cups. Wow. Mukhang ang ganda ng mga baraha. Okay, tignan natin. To complete your reading, Capricorn, kuha tayo ng mga runes to complete your reading for Capricorn. Okay. Next. Alright. Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, this month, hindi kailangan madaliin ang lahat. Okay? Yung general energy ninyo based sa mga oracle cards, dito tayo mag-uumpisa, is patience. And you are safe this month. Okay, the patience card is reminding you this month to slow down. Hindi ka nahuhuli, Capricorn, nasa tamang timing ka. Okay? Tamang timing ka lang. Hindi ka nahuhuli. This is a divine pause para i-clear ang isip at ayusin ang perspective mo sa buhay. This month, you are being protected and guided behind the scenes. Yung Rose card naman, this tells you that you carry special energy this month. You can attract people and situations na aligned sa light mo. Pero dahil dito, mas kailangan mo rin ng boundaries at discernment ngayong buwan na ito. The universe is saying, you are safe now with this message. Okay, you are safe now. The worst is behind you. Ang mga pagsubok ay hindi na para pahirapan ka this month. Capricorn, kundi para i-prepare ka sa mas magaan at mas aligned na future. Okay, sa pag-ibig you have without agenda. Ayan. Pagdating sa love, kay love aspect mo, tinatawag ka ng universe na magmahal ng malaya this month. Magmahal ng malaya, tapat at walang agenda. And without the agenda card, it says that true love will arrive sa inyo, Capricorn, or it will deepen kapag handa ka nang magbigay ng pag-ibig ng walang kapalit na inaasahan. Now, kung nasa relationship na kayo, okay, tanungin niyo ang sarili, nagbibigay ba ako mula sa puso o may hinaantay akong ibalik? Kung single ka naman, Capricorn, this is a call to release attachment to any specific outcomes and trust that love will come when you're energetically ready. Okay, sa career and ambitions ninyo, you have the rose and patience card. You may be in a phase this month where things are not moving as fast as you'd like. Pero don't panic. Huwag magpanic, Capricorn. Ang mga seeds na tinanim mo ay unti-unti nang lumalago or lalago starting this month. The rose card shows you have a magnetic energy this month. People will notice your value kahit tahimik ka lang. And the patience card is a reminder, basta consistent ka, this month, success will follow. Hindi kailangang madiliin. Okay, basta tuloy-tuloy lang sa ginagawa mo with love and integrity, Capricorn. Now, sa spiritual aspect ninyo and inner journey, you are safe. Okay, you are safe. This is a month of deep spiritual healing and reassurance. This card is saying you are protected. It is safe for you to trust your path. This means, Capricorn, na kahit hindi mo pa fully alam kung anong susunod na mangyayari, you can rest in the truth that you are being guided by divine timing. May mga leksyon ka nang natutunan recently. Trust that those lessons prepared you for your next spiritual evolution. So, summary dito sa oracle cards mo, Capricorn, sa buwan ng Mayo, this is about paghinga, pagtitiwala, at tunay na pagmamahal ang tema ng buwan para sa iyo. Slow down and let the universe realign your path this month. Pagdating sa love, let go of expectations. Sa career, trust that you're blooming beautifully just like a rose. And most importantly, huwag kang matakot. You are protected and safe to move forward. Okay, ayan. Punta tayo sa tarot cards ninyo, Capricorn. Now, sa tarot cards mo, your overall energy, you have the Page of Coins. You have the Page of Coins. You have the Queen of Cups. And you have the Lagus Rune. Okay. Ang enerhiya mo ngayong buwan na ito ay tungkol sa learning, emotional balance, and intuitive growth. The Page of Coins suggests may bagong opportunity or project. This could be sa career, this could be sa business or personal na goal na magsisimula pa lang pero promising, or maybe nagsisimula pa lang. This is promising. The Queen of Cups shows na habang ginagawa mo ito, kailangan mo ring bantayan ang emosyon mo at huwag hayaang ma-drain this month. Okay? Ang Lagus Rune na may kaugnayan sa emotional flow at intuition, Capricorn, reminds you, trust the flow ng universe this month. Huwag ipilit ang hindi aligned. Punta tayo sa inyong pag-ibig at relasyon. Love aspect, you have the Queen of Coins, Queen of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. At you have the Kenas Rune. You have the Kenas Rune. Pagdating sa love life mo, Capricorn, ikaw ay parang Queen of Coins, Queen of Pentacles. Nurturing, stable, pero minsan sobra ang responsibility na posibleng inaako mo Sa maka-resonate lang, the Seven of Wands shows na maaaring may challenge ngayong buwan, this month, either opinion ng mga iba. This could also be interference or pressure from circumstances. Now, the Kenas rune na sumisimbolo ng illumination and truth ay nagsasabing oras na para linawin kung ano ang gusto mo talaga sa isang relasyon this month. Ilawan mo ang mga bahagi ng love life mo na nagiging blur, whether ikaw ba'y nasasakal o ikaw ang masyadong nagbibigay. Na kung single kayo, sa mga single dyan, you may meet someone this month, pero it will require you to stand your ground sa standards mo. Kung taken ka naman na Capricorn, you may need to communicate boundaries at emotional needs clearly this month. Punta tayo sa inyong career aspect or finances. Now, you have the Ace of Wands. You have the Six of Wands, the King of Coins, and the Anzus rune. This is the Anzus. Okay. Now, wow, this is a powerhouse combo, Capricorn. The Ace of Wands. This could be about passion, project, fresh energy, inspired beginnings. The Six of Wands. This is victory. This is recognition. This is reward for your efforts. And the King of Coins. This is financial mastery, leadership, abundance, and control. And an Anzus rune, na rune ng divine messages, communication, at inspiration says, your mind is sharp right now. I mean this month. Use your voice, use your strategy, and your insights. Kung may iniisip kang bagong simulan this month, Capricorn, business, proposal, creative work, go for it. Expect recognition or a win this month in your career. Pwedeng promotion, closing a deal, or successful launch. Napunta tayo sa inyong kalusugan. Your health aspect. Now, health-wise, you have the Nine of Cups. This indicates contentment and satisfaction. So, if you've been working on your wellness, Capricorn, emotional or physical, you'll feel the rewards this month. The Queen of Cups also, it reminds you to listen. Okay, pakinggan ang yung mga emotional and mental health needs ngayong buwan na ito. And don't ignore stress or burnout. Kasi self-care is a non-negotiable ngayon this month for you. Capricorn, hydrate, meditate, and take mental breaks when needed. And emotional wellness, this is about your physical wellness sa buwan ng Mayo. Napunta tayo sa inyong spiritual energy, spiritual aspect. You have the Ace of Wands, the Laguz, and the Anzus rune. Okay. So this is highly intuitive and spiritually active this month. Itong buwan na to is very highly intuitive and spiritually active ka this month. The combination of Laguz and Anzus is very powerful. Capricorn. Laguz, this is about emotional wisdom and spiritual flow. The Anzus, these are messages from spirit guides, synchronicities, dreams, and even ancestors. Ang Ace of Wands, this is the ignition of your soul fire. So expect divine downloads, big realizations this month, or even renewed passion in your soul mission. No, you're being spiritually activated to align with your truth. Now, summary overall this month, Capricorn: growth, victory, and soul alignment ang overall message niyo sa buwan na ito. Love requires clarity and abundance, Capricorn, and care for yourself as well. Sa career, your career is on fire this month. You may receive recognition and abundance sa horizon. Nasa kalusugan mo, health is stable, but depends on your emotional regulation. And spirituality, you are awakening and receiving strong divine support. So, ang mensahe sa'yo ng universe, ng mga baraha at ng mga runes ito, overall, you're safe. You are gifted and guided. Just flow. Go with the flow. Focus and speak your truth. Okay? So now, Capricorn, sa mga naghahanap po ng pampaswerte sa sugal mo. Okay, matagal na ba kayong tumataya, hindi na nanalo? Baka ito na yung itry nyo. Baka ito na lang yung kulang. Okay, this is Hachan Jade Hulugord with certificate na. Guaranteed with certificate. This is authentic Hachan Jade. Okay, with certificate. Magkano? 1,980 pesos plus delivery charge. Depende sa location ninyo. Plus, may inclusions kasama. Anong inclusions kasama? Private reading. Pwede ka nang magpabook. Up to 3 to 5 questions pwede nyong ipahula sa akin dito. Pag bumili kayo, schedule natin yung private reading mo. I-book natin, Plus, distance Reiki healing. Sinong may sakit sa inyo? Ikaw ba? Kamag-anak mo? Anybody? Friends? Loved ones? Okay, gagawan ng ritual, distance Reiki para gumaling. Ayan. Anong ipaparitual niyo? Gustong mga intentions ninyo, ipaparitual, ako na bahala. Kasama na yan sa inclusions. Plus, may freebies pa. Limited stocks. Pag naubos, wala nang restock sa. Grab this opportunity. Ayan. Itong Hulugord, Hachan Jade, hindi lang siya pampaswerte sa sugal, pang-protekta pa sa mga isumpa, evil eye, cursed, black magic. Pangontra sa mga any kind of kapahamakan, iwas disgrasya, iwas sakuna, protektado ka. Ano pa? Marami pang benefits actually. You can look at it on my website. Pakibasa sa website. Taglish doon, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. Maintindihan niyo kasi naghahalo ang Tagalog at medyo konting English. Okay, para maintindihan ng masang Pilipino. Alright? Ano pa, marami pa ng mga items na taglish ang description. Kaya maintindihan ninyo. Kasi kung dito ko sabihin, mauubos ang isang oras, ang haba-haba. Ayan, 1,000. Paano bumili? Nakita nyo yung nakapost dyan, nakalagay, www.bonomagos.ph plus sa baba, FB page ko, Bono Mamagos PH, Facebook page, na may blue check. Hanapin nyo yung may verified ni Meta, yung may blue check. Doon kayo mag-message. Take a screenshot, i-message nyo ako. Limited stocks lang to. Bestseller ko to ngayon, baka maunahan. Meron pang konting natira. Okay? Ayan, what else? Sa mga namumblema dyan sa kanilang trabaho. Eto, career bracelet. Ito yung business para sa career. What is this? This is Nanhong Agate. This is very, very well known sa China. May certificate din. May certificate din yan. You can search, you can, authenticated to. Nanhong Agate para sa career. Makapasa sa interview, makapasok, makahanap ng magandang trabaho, better job opportunity, makapunta sa ibang bansa. Matagal ka na pa nag-a-apply, hanggang ngayon di ka makapasok-pasok, baka ito na yung kailangan nyo. Plus, nakakatulong makabayad ng utang. Yan, Nanhong Agate. Okay, makakatulong makabayad ng utang, marami pa actioning benefits. Again, punta kayo sa website ko, basahin nyo doon kasi sa bawat aspeto, may kanya-kanya siyang benefits. Pero well-known talaga ito sa career. Namumblema kayo sa career, walang promotion, walang increased salary, baka ito na. Plus, kung anong intention ninyo na ipaparitual sa akin, kasama na sa inclusions. Pati ito may inclusions, private reading. Kung dalawa ang bibili nyo, 2 slots ng private reading ninyo. 2 slots ang ma-avail ninyo. Kasi lahat ng item dito na in-offer ko, may inclusions. Magkano to? Same price, 1,980. Sulit na sulit. Kasi, magkano ang paritual sa iba? Tanungin ko kayo. Dito may item na kayo, may certificate pa. Magkano ang paritual sa ibang tarot reader o ano bang spiritualista? Magkano ang private reading sa iba? 500? Dito, may item ka na. Pagkano ang magpagamot? Mga kulam o ano man yung mga dinadaramdam ninyo. You can Search my FB page, madaming feedbacks na doon. Sa mga ginagawa kong ritual, paalaga, close na ako baka mainggit kayo sa mga feedbacks na nakikita doon. I'm so proud of my work sa paalaga. Success lahat. So far. Hindi pa naman tapos ang whole year. So, ayan, kung you want feedbacks, just hanapin nyo ang Facebook page ko. Nakasulat dyan. Hanapin nyo yung sa album ko. Andun yung customer feedback number 2. Kasi dalawa yung album ko dun sa mga feedback sa customer. 1 and 2. Basta hanapin nyo dun. Dami dun. Okay? So, anyway, sa mga naghanap pa naman ng jewelry, wala akong dito spell jar. Naghahanap ng item, necklace, or gamit na magkabalikan kayo ng partner mo, asawa, girlfriend, boyfriend. Ito, pang unisex. Pwede gamitin sa lalaki, pwedeng pambabae. Yun lang, very pricey to kasi this is authentic Hatchan jade. 2,550. Galing China talaga, authentic. Wala kayong mahanap na ganitong lace, wala lang tong certificate, but it doesn't mean hindi siya authentic. I can show you under UV light na to prove that this is authentic. If nagdududa kayo. Okay? 2,500. Anong benefits nitong nine-tailed fox Hatchan jade? Pambalik, pang-reconcile. Gusto mong bumalik ang person mo sa'yo, inagaw sa third party, try nyo to. Plus, you can ask me pa ritual. Amplify pa natin. Just send me pictures and ako na bahala sa ipaparitual ninyo. Ano mga intentions niyo. Plus, distance reiki. Lahat to may kasamang inclusions. Pati to may kasamang inclusions. Private reading. Mamili na nga lang kayo ng item. Kung gusto niyo magpabook ng, ma'am, gusto ko lang private reading. No, wala. Bumili ka ng item. Kung gusto mo ng private reading, libre na yung private reading. Kasama na sa item na babayaran niyo. Sad to say, wala pong international shipping sa mga taga-ibang bansa. Okay? Ang sinasuggest ko dito, ang mga clients ko na taga-ibang bansa, sa pamilya na nila dito pinapadala ang items na binibili nila at yung kamag-anak na nila ang bahalang magpadala sa inyo. Ganyan po ang ko dito. Hindi po ako nag-ship. Hassle. Daming documents, daming BIR, dami hassle. Pwede niyong ipa-postal, pero yun lang, good luck. Baka abutin ng 2 months. So naghanap naman ng original agar wood. This is very expensive nga lang. I only have 3 pieces. This is 3,500. Why? May mantra yan na agar wood. Agar wood na may inuukit-ukit na mantra. For blessings, protection, all-in-one na kumbaga ito. Yes, all-in-one. You can also find the full description sa website ko. Nakalagay dyan, Hanapin niyo dyan, madami pang items doon. May rings, citrine rings, may mga bracelet, may mga, okay, pakunti-kunti ko nilalagyan. So, agar wood, mantra bracelet, sagradong oud, ito. May inclusions rin kasama. 3 pieces lang ang available sa ngayon. Okay, wala kayong mahanap. Alam mo yung amoy nito? Ang bango. Para siyang perfume, sweet, na may pagka-herbs, aromatic. Talaga, yan pala ang agar wood. Mabango siya. May amoy. Mahal to, 3,500. Kasi ang katas nito kasi ginagamit as perfume. Kaya, expensive ang wood na agar wood. Kahit i-search niyo pa. Okay, so, Capricorn, yan lang. Maraming salamat. Ay, by the way, ito pa. Citrine. Ito, meron na lang akong 4 pieces atang natira. Pag na-sold out, wala na. 1,000 citrine raw silver necklace. Raw citrine silver necklace. Para saan to? Successful dealings. May binibenta ka, seller ka, online seller. Gusto mong makaklose ng deal. Baka ito na yung makakatulong. May orasyon din to. May paritwal din. Lahat may inclusions, mga in-offer ko. private reading, meron din. Basta lahat to may inclusions. Okay, pag bumili kayo ng 5, 4, you have 5 slots of inclusions. Ang daming inclusions po. Okay? So, 1,000. Kung sa gustong bilhin yung mga items ko, take a screenshot. Rewind, fast forward, rewind para ma-screenshot ninyo. And you message me sa Facebook page, Bono Magos, doon ang order. Doon kayo mag-order. Okay? Sa website, pwede rin kung may bank kayo, may PayPal kayo. Okay? But kung wala kayong PayPal, sa Facebook page kayo mag-order. Yung website, ang purpose ko lang doon, ilagay doon ang mga full description para hindi ko na dito sobrang haba, abot ng 1 hour ang video. Okay? So maraming salamat, Capricorn. Ingat po and God bless.